Remove the 4 bolts on the cover of DC controller. Remove the cover. Then remove all the wiring harnesses on the DC controller. Remove all bolts that connect the controller to the generator. Remove the entire controller and back cover. Remove the 4 bolts on the rear cover of the controller. Separate the rear cover from the controller. Assemble the new controller with the rear cover. Note the pros and cons of the controller. Then screw on the rear cover and controller bolts. Screw on the bolts that connect the rear cover to the generator. Insert the wiring harness back in the original way. Tie the wiring harnesses with cable ties. Cut off the excess of the cable tie, then attach the cover. Tighten the 4 bolts. The DC controller is replaced.